Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the I can't mute everyone issue on Google Meet really quickly. For example, if you're in a meeting here in Google Meet and you would like to mute all participants of the given video call with one click, but unfortunately you don't see the all muted tab or button here in your list of video call participants. So there's a simple fix for that. All you will need to do, guys, to enable this button is to simply head over to your host controls by clicking on that button or icon in the bottom right corner and make sure that you enable the host management here so that you may be given the opportunity to mute all video call participants with one click of your mouse. So if I enable the host management and return or go back to the list of video call participants, you will see that this option here, all muted, is enabled so that I may mute all the video call participants by clicking on that button. And that's basically it. That's the fix for this issue, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.